If I really look at my residency, there were two attending physicians, Howard Lowell and Bob Weirman, that were wonderful. And the interesting thing is they were spine doctors. They were in the Scoliosis Research Society. I did Harrington rods that were coming out of my ears with these guys, and putting the body casts and everything. And I spent 2 years of my 4 years in residency with them. But they really taught me a very methodical way to approach a problem, to think it out, to consider the negative side as well as positive side, the risks and benefits of every decision I would make. They taught me real respect for tissue, how to not rush through an operation and do it meticulously. And I think it kept me out of a lot of trouble. Frankly, I think it got me a lot more good results and a lot less problems over the years. So it's interesting because Dr. Lowell, who passed away a few years ago, actually had moved to Florida to retire, and I was actually taking care of him and his wife. So it was the tables completely around. In fact, I remember examining his wife and asking her questions, and he's sitting in the room, I'm wondering whether he's really judging me, and we actually all got together. Dr. Weirman came down and visited. They're both gone at this point, but I'd say the most memorable thing about my residency with those two fellows, they really taught me a lot, the kind of things you can't learn in a book, just about an approach to the patient. I remember Dr. Lowell told me one thing. He said, when you go in to see a patient, sit down and talk to them, okay? If you sit down for a minute, don't remember, Dr. Germain sat down and talked to me. If you walk in and you're standing by the door, you're ready to get out quicker than you got in, that's the impression they'll have of you. So I learned a lot of the art of medicine from these two fellows, as in addition to skills, surgical skills.